Hey everybody, I'm Adam. This is Paper Beats Rock. We're back here working on the Bronco today, and I've got a guest star, I guess, today that's going to be helping me. My son Seth. He's not at school today because it's President's Day, so he's coming out here to help me work on the Bronco. So pretty good. Plan on the day is that we got to empty out all the trash and stuff like that that's inside the Bronco, and then look where we're at on timeline wise. Potentially drop the tank out of the rear of it so that we can get that out and just dig in and see where else we can get. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, sound like a good idea?
Yeah.
All right, let's get stuck in. Alright guys, so getting into it. Seth got the front end cleaned out, pretty decent. A lot of trash in there involved in it, but not too bad. Found my front drive line. Still need to shop back it out, get it cleaned up. There's a big old rat nest that was there inside the glove box. That's pretty nasty. Oh, we gotta empty out the center console there, and then we'll tie into the rear. So, but right now, boys doing good work. We're gonna get back into it.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, let's get those two batteries. Okay, that license plate out of there. Is there anything else? That little bag, whatever that is. Okay, and then we're gonna have to pop the panel. Let's get that off. Get that stuff out, and then we're gonna need to pop that panel there for the rear window so that we can lower it down. Okay. All right, let's get back at that.
Look.
What?
Scissors.
Oh yeah. Yeah, them are nasty. Way nasty. Oh, I left a part there for you.
Oh, serious?
Yeah, you can walk out and get it right into that. Here you go. Got some ribbons for you.
Oh. Ugh.
Yeah, it smells good, huh?
No.
Dude, Adam,
Yeah.
your farts never smell good.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to tell him.
Yeah. All right, going to check out the fuse box to see about rolling down the back window, and this is what we're dealing with. I completely forgot. Yeah, most of you don't know about these round ones, but that's okay. I mean, look at this freaking aluminum foil around that pig. Yeah, yeah, just stick a bolt in it. Wow, man. Wow, okay, let's get into that.
Yeah, that one's not going to fit in there.
No. I'm getting really good shots of the back of your head.
At least I'm not balding yet, so it's all good.
Oh, you just got the radio working, dude.
Did it work?
I just heard it freaking. Okay. Oh, well, there's my tack is starting to flicker. Oh, there you go.
Bad connection. Go ahead, just keep beeping at me.
Oh, that's on solid now. Just one, man, I don't even remember how this thing works either. Wow, okay, let's see here. No. No.
We may have to pop the cover and tap the motor.
Yeah. All right, you all right? All right, see that panel right there? It's got all the screws in it. Yep, need all those taken out, okay? All right, no, you're gonna have to press into them, okay? You don't press just lightly. Press into it hard, okay? All right. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna wallow those things out. That's all right, we gotta learn. We gotta learn. There you go. You don't wanna wallow them out, okay? Something you can do, let me show you real quick, okay? Let me see the drill. Okay. Something you can do is that while you're holding it, okay? Put one hand behind it like this to press into it, okay?
That's what I try to do.
All right. Yeah. Yeah, he's doing good. He's learning. I'm proud. I'm proud. Proud dad. Good job.
You're welcome.
Here, pass that back to me here.
That's
All right. Ooh, man, that thing's... I don't remember that thing being that heavy. Wow. All right, get all those screws. Well, you're gonna have to replace all that hardware because it's nasty. Is that it?
Yeah.
Or is there more?
Nope.
That's it?
Yeah.
All right.
And your screw.
Let me get the screw gun. All right. All right. Here's a flashlight button. Yep. You see something in there that looks like a little can?
Yeah, that little battery pack?
Yeah, kind of like that, okay?
Yeah.
Should be the little electric motor, okay?
Yeah.
Here, take this wrench.
Yeah.
Tap that a couple, or here. Take this thing, that'll be even better. Take that.
And this
Tap.
other way.
Yeah. Get ready to tap it a few times, okay? Like, give it a good knock.
Knock, knock. Knock, knock. No.
Grab my meter.
Alright, just a sec. Hey,
Yeah.
go ahead and move out, okay?
We need the wrench now.
What about unbolting the motor? How hard's that gonna be?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking.
We can just get the it off the clogs, that way they'll go down manually. So the motor's completely off right now? It's moving. We've gained about 1.5 inches. Yeah, I'm getting really worried because the glass should be coming in for you with a hammer. Like, yeah, I'm gonna just be holding like little pieces of glass in my
Once
hand.
it's down though, can you get to the regulator? You're gonna have to figure out how to get it back up once you open the tailgate to take it all apart.
Well, I'll just unbolt it from the slide and everything, pull the glass out, have to pull the whole assembly out, freaking clean the hell out of it. Yeah.
Go!
The clogs are really bad, huh?
Yeah, there's grease everywhere.
Oh. Okay, I'm trying to be really careful on
Ready?
that. Yeah, no.
That should be far enough to open it, isn't it?
Maybe.
Next frozen part.
Pretty much.
Oh man! Woohoo! That's when I step out and step in the glass.
Yeah. Kush. Hot dog.
Hot dog, let's make the dog. Come on, guys. We came out.
Now there's a lot of freaking. There's a lot of grease on that thing too for it to be that
Nice out.
up. All right. Good stuff, huh?
Yeah.
Freaking, you're awesome today. You got the Bronco cleaned out, all this trash right here, and all the stuff up there in the trash can, all those rat nests and rat turds.
Yeah.
Vacuumed all them up.
Yeah, we did.
Oh, you did most of it. You were awesome.
But we did like the rest of it.
Yeah, and we got the back window down right over here. So if you liked the video, go ahead and hit that like button right down here. Just smash it. And if you did like it, go ahead and subscribe because it helps us out a ton. And if you do subscribe, if you do, go ahead and hit that notification bell right down there, all right? Because that's gonna let you know every single time we come out with a new video. Right now the plans is every 3 days we're gonna come out with something new, okay? So as always guys, I appreciate the hell out of you. Go out there, get your side hustle on, and work on the vehicles in your backyard. And we'll see you later.
Peace.
Peace.